Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to overclock your monitor to have a higher refresh rate. So most monitors these days, like low profile, are 60 FPS. That's basically the main amount of hertz that a computer has these days. Some of them go up to 140, 265. But if you have a 60 hertz monitor and it's just not as smooth as you wanted, I can help you increase your FPS or your refresh rate by a little bit. So first of all, what you gotta do is you gotta right click on your monitor or on your desktop, and then click NVIDIA control panel. This is for a NVIDIA graphics card, by the way. So let's just open this up here. Right now I have my custom, like, you're surprised why I don't have this set for 1080p. They're the same thing. As you can see, my refresh rate is 66 hertz, which is bigger than 60 hertz. So if you want to get your own amount of hertz here, it automatically comes at 50 hertz. That's when my monitor is at this moment. Okay, so it just flashed there. So let's just say I like this, but I don't like this amount of refresh rate. So if we go here, click customize, and click create custom resolution. If you want to get a stretch resolution, you can change the horizontal pixels to less. I also did a video on that a while ago. But now you can change your refresh rate. So I'm just gonna automatically change mine to the native resolution so I can get 60 hertz, and then I create it from there. So let's go here and click customize, create custom resolution, and then you're going to want to turn the refresh rate up first of all by 5. So and you're going to want to click, it's right now it says here down 64 to 66, and the refresh rate is 67.5 kHz. I don't know what this means, but that's basically the maximum it can go. But because you can't put 0.5, see, it says unacceptable character, so you can't do that, but you can do 67. But just to make sure your monitor can approve of that, you're going to want to click test. And it says, okay, this works. Would you like to save this resolution? Click yes. Okay, and now you have that here. But you can change it. Since mine is 66.5, I think is the maximum it can go, I put it to 66, and it increases the refresh rate by 6 hertz. So that's pretty much how you're gonna want to do this. But now I'm gonna just select the 60 or custom here and click apply. So now you're in here, and you're gonna wonder why. Well, why can't I put it even more? Well, you see, if you let's just go customize here, create custom resolution, and change it up to, oh my goodness, I want 144 hertz. No, it doesn't work like that. Let's say you want 75 hertz. Click test. Oh my goodness, it's actually gonna work. No, it just actually looks like trash. On my recording software, it looks kind of bad, but not as bad as I'm seeing right now, and it looks really bad. So make sure click no. Go to what, if you click on this, just go to 66 hertz. It's basically the most it can go for a regular 60 hertz monitor. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe, hit that little bell for more quick tech tips, and also some more videos of random kinds. If you guys want me to do an Undertale series, let me know down in the comments of any of my videos, and I will probably be doing those for fun because I just got the game thanks to the Nova. I will leave the link to his channel down below. Make sure you go check him out, and I will also be leaving a video channel name from my friend Nolan. His name is Power Gaming, and I will leave his link down below, and go check out his channel. Go subscribe to both of them for helping out a lot. So make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe. See you guys all next time. Bye bye.